Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to send money to someone using PayPal. To begin, simply log in to your PayPal account using your registered email address and password. Once inside, navigate to the Send and Request tab, usually found at the top of your screen. From there, you will choose between sending money to friends or family or paying for goods or services, depending on the nature of your transaction. This initial step is crucial for setting up your payment correctly. Next, you will need to provide the recipient's details. Carefully enter their email address or mobile phone number. It is very important to double-check this information to ensure the money goes to the correct person. Then, input the exact amount you wish to send, for example, $25.50. You will also select the currency for your transaction, such as US dollars or euros, before proceeding to the next step. Before finalizing, take a moment to review all the transaction details presented on your screen. Confirm the recipient, the amount, and the chosen currency are all accurate. Afterward, select your preferred funding source. This could be your linked bank account, a debit card, or your existing PayPal balance. Be mindful that certain transactions, like those for goods and services or international transfers, might incur small fees, typically around 2 to 3% of the total amount. Finally, you have the option to add a brief note to your recipient, providing context for the payment. Once you are satisfied with all the details, click the Send Money Now or Send Payment button to complete the transfer. Both you and the recipient will promptly receive email confirmations of the successful transaction. While funds are often available instantly, especially when using a PayPal balance, transfers from a bank account may take up to 3 to 5 business days to fully process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.